Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and loading the place with the animated character. Make sure you can select the model. Once selected, open the animator or animation controller in Explorer so you can see active tracks. You need the animation ID, S, and to locate the script that plays animations, because stopping requires either disabling the track or changing the script logic. Once you have those items visible, pause and confirm you can edit the script that invoked the animation. Now you edit the script that started the animation. Find calls like play or load animation. Replace or add code to capture the animation track and call stop on it because stopping the track halts playback cleanly. Alternatively, call animator, stop all animations if multiple tracks run, but use it carefully since it affects everything. Once done, make sure you stop animations on the correct side, server or client, by checking whether remote events triggered them, and then test to confirm they no longer play. Finally, test your change in play mode and watch the output window for errors so you can iterate quickly. If an animation keeps restarting, explicitly destroy the animation track or call stop. Then, destroy to prevent auto-replay and make sure animation priority isn't forcing it over scripts. If it's triggered remotely, update the server or client side consistently. Otherwise, you'll see a replay. One key troubleshooting tip: check for other scripts or events that re-trigger the animation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.